Let's say you want to edit the text in your design. Click on the text you want to edit, and then this menu of options appears. To change your font, go to this box and click the down arrow. Then scroll through and select the font you want. You can change the size by clicking the plus sign to make it bigger, the minus sign to make it smaller, or by clicking in the middle and scrolling through to select the font size you want. You can also make it bold by pressing B, italic by clicking the I, underline by clicking the U, or strike through by clicking the S. You can change the color by going to the paint palette and clicking the box. From here, you can select a color below, or you can customize it by clicking and dragging around, or clicking and dragging these colors. And you can even customize it by clicking the eyedropper, selecting a color on your artboard, and choosing that for the color. You can add a highlight by going to the highlighter, clicking this box, and selecting the highlight color. You can also animate your text by clicking this icon that says Animate. From here, you can select the motion and customize it with these options on the menu. To customize your text even more, click these three dots that say More. From here, you can change the appearance by clicking Appearance, changing the opacity by clicking to the left or to the right. You can rotate the angle of your text by going to Rotate Angle and clicking and dragging to the right or to the left. You can skew it different directions by going to Skew X and clicking and holding, or Skew Y and clicking and holding. You can also change the position of your text by clicking on Position, going to Align, and selecting where you want the text. Maybe in the bottom, middle, left, right, center, top, or you can click and drag to move it where you'd like. You can even add gradients by going down to Gradient and selecting a gradient you like. You can also add a drop shadow by going to Drop Shadow and clicking, and you can customize it with the menu below. You can even change the color. You can also add stroke by going down to Stroke and clicking on it. Again, you can customize the color and the width to design it how you'd like. Sign up for free on Simplified.co to start editing text in your design. See you there!